In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front bumper on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located at the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to start off by opening our hood, and on the corners of the bumper locating a series of push pin clips right here and on the front portion of the bumper. Remove these using a trim tool. We're going to peel back this rubber trim and locate 4 more clips. Two more along the middle. And 2 on the corners. Now on the corners of the bumper, lift up to undo the clips. We're going to move under the bumper and on the front portion locate 7 push pin clips. We're going to remove these using a trim tool. And continue this for the rest of the clips. We're going to make our way towards the sides of the bumper. We're going to turn our wheels in and locate 2 push pin clips. Again, remove these using a trim tool. On the inner side of the fender liner, we're also going to locate a T30 torque screw. Remove this using a T30 bit. Now pull the corner of the bumper away from the fender. Repeat this for the other side. Now locate the upper portion of the bumper next to the lower portion. Follow the edge and pull out. Repeat this for the other side. Now before we fully remove our front bumper from the vehicle, we're going to pull back on the upper corners of the upper portion of the front bumper and look in between the headlight and locate this mounting tab. Pry it up using a flat blade screwdriver. Now pull the bumper forward. Now we're going to peel the front bumper forward and move on to our 2 front upper mounting locations. We're going to pry these off using a trim tool. So stick it in between. Make sure it's a non-marring trim tool. You do not want to cause damage to your front bumper. And work the clip off. Do the same for this clip. Once these 2 clips are undone, pull the bumper forward. Repeat this for the other side. Now pull the front bumper forward. On each corner of the bumper, we're going to disconnect our fog light bulb and its harness. Remove the fog light by twisting it counterclockwise. and set it aside. We're going to follow the wire harness up and disconnect its clips, again using a trim tool. There's one more under this connector. Repeat this for the other side. On the bottom portion of our grill, we're also going to disconnect our ambient temperature sensor. Press down on the tab and slide it out. Inspect for any corrosion or damage and set it aside. Once the harnesses are disengaged, pull the bumper away. Let's install our bumper. First, we're going to resecure our fog light harness and our ambient temperature sensor. Put the bumper in place and lift up. We're going to start off by resecuring our fog light bulb. Once it's in place, turn clockwise to secure it. Follow the harness up to secure the plastic clips. Insert them on the housing. Make sure they're fully seated. We'll do the same for our connector. Line up the tab and push the clip down. We're also going to go ahead and reinstall our ambient temperature sensor. Slide it over and push in. Make sure it's secure. Now lift the bumper up and secure this last clip. Repeat these steps for the other side. With both harnesses connected, we're now going to lift our bumper up and install it on the vehicle. Make sure the bottom portion goes under the splash shield. Now push all the clips in place. Secure the corners as well. We're going to reinstall our 6 upper push pin clips, starting with the ones on the corners. Align them and push down. Peel back this rubber molding to install the 4 middle clips. Ensure they're flush. Repeat this for the other side. Now for the last one. We're going to move on to the corners of the bumper and resecure them. We're going to install our 2 push pin clips and our T30 torque screw. We're going to start off with the clips, align them and push in. Do the same for the bottom one as well. And snug down your T30 screw. Repeat this for the other side. On the front portion of the front splash shield, reinstall your push pin clips. And continue this for the rest of the clips. And that completes our install. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.